Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to fold an Icosahedral Skeleton by Miyuki Kawamura. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to connect more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. Once again, this video is a little bit long. I'll have a timestamp in the descriptions below so you can jump to the different sections directly. First, I'm going to show you how to fold the individual module. Then I'm going to show you how to assemble it step by step. In today's video, I'm doing something different. I've completely removed the intro screen and replaced it with a lower third. This is because I was watching my videos with the audio off and I realized that I have 12 seconds of screen time doing completely nothing. This lower third allows me to run my tutorial video in the background and at the same time remind you guys to subscribe. And in the end, reduces the video by 12 seconds and saving you guys, my viewers, 12 seconds of screen time. Please leave a comment and let me know if you like the changes, or would you prefer the old one? I could go back if you want. Now, without further delay, let's continue the tutorial. This module, it's relatively simple, but there's a lot of folds to make. You'll need to make 30 of them for the edges of the Icosahedral Skeleton. As always, I would recommend you to make this with a friend. This way, you can enjoy the time together. We are at part 2 of the tutorial where we're gonna assemble the Icosahedral Skeleton, and we're gonna start with the base. We'll begin by taking 5 modules and connect them together in a shape of a flower. Once we have our flower, we're going to connect 2 petals of the flower with a third module. This would give us a pentagon at the back of the flower. And we're going to repeat this process for all 5 petals. Once all 5 petals are connected to each other and we have a pentagon at the back of our flower, then our base for our Icosahedral Skeleton is complete. And we'll start assembling the midsection. For the midsection of the Icosahedral Skeleton, we're going to go through each point of the pentagon and add 2 petals. We do this by first taking 2 modules and connecting to each other, and then inserting them into the corner of the pentagon. As you can see, we have 5 petals, which is another flower for our Icosahedral Skeleton. We are going to repeat this process for all 5 points of the pentagon. For the remaining 4 points of our pentagon, we're going to perform this extra step where we connect the 2 modules that are touching each other to form an extra triangle. When adding the 2 petals to the last point of the pentagon, please remember that you have 2 triangles to form this time because you have to connect the last petal with the first petal you did for the midsection. Once the midsection is complete, you'll have something like this, and we can start assembling the top of the Icosahedral Skeleton. We're going to begin by adding a module here. This will create a triangle where this location is, and we're going to form a pentagon for the top of the Icosahedral Skeleton. We are going to repeat this step all around the entire model. Once we added the last module, you can see that we have a pentagon on each side of the Icosahedral Skeleton. And we have our pentagon on top for the top of the Icosahedral Skeleton. To top off the model, we're going to take the remaining 5 units and form a flower again. We're going to align this flower with the petals that are sticking out on the model and connect them together. Once the top is on the model, we'll need to do a little bit of touch up and push all the modules together. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. If you got a few minutes to spare, please check the video that's going to pop up on the screen. I'm sure you're going to like it.